People in many different cultures wear jewelry, and people all over the world buy jewelry. Some people think that giving gifts is old-fashioned and that people would rather go out to lunch or see a movie instead. But the trend is still popular because gifts have their own value that can't be replaced by dinner or a movie. Jewelry is a pricey gift that needs to be kept in good packaging that will keep it safe. Good packaging not only keeps the jewelry safe but also makes it look even better. As the world has changed, so have the ways of making jewelry. Now there are many different kinds of jewelry to choose from. Over time, there have also been changes in how jewelry is packaged. Let's talk about the benefits of jewelry packaging so you can come up with a good way to package your own jewelry. Here are the top 5 advantages of jewelry packaging and how you can make full use of it. But before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future updates. 5. Gives an appealing look. The way a package looks is important if you want to make a good impression on customers. Making a good impression is important if a company wants to sell more. The marketing expert says that you didn't do anything if you didn't change the customer's mind. But now comes the question of how to make an impression on the customer. The answer is simple. Make sure your jewelry comes in good packaging. People judge the quality of a product by how well it is packaged. A good packaging partner always helps their client choose a good packaging material for their jewelry products. He does this because he is sure that if jewelry sales go up, so will the need for packaging, which will help both the client and the packaging partner. 4. Brings customers to your products. If you have good packaging, more customers will be attracted to your product. Getting people to buy the product helps set the direction of the market for the product. The quality of the product alone isn't enough to make a business successful. You need something else to set your product apart in a crowded market. Due to the challenges that come up in a competitive market, it is not easy for every business to do well. In the first 5 years, about half of all new businesses fail. The main reason is that they don't know enough about the market to compete. People put money into starting a business and focus on making their product better. But they don't realize how important other things are, such as good packaging. With the rise of e-commerce, people can reach a number of suppliers around the world to get the products they want. This makes the jewelry niche very diverse. Local companies need to follow the latest trends in packaging to make their products stand out and get the attention of customers. 3. Gives customers a pleasant unboxing experience. Good packaging gives customers a pleasant unboxing experience, which gives them a good impression of your product. The first step to getting people to remember your brand is to help them remember your products. Customers who stick with a company are its biggest asset because they help boost sales and make the most money. If a customer is happy with the way your product is packaged, he will be more likely to buy it again and tell others about it. Imagine if you were a customer and you ordered a piece of jewelry, but it arrived broken because it wasn't packaged well. What do you think of the business? Will you buy from the same company again? Will you tell others about the company? No, of course not. Which is why you should choose good packaging. 2. Helps to make sales. When customers are happy, it helps to make more sales. All businesses want to boost sales to make more money and build a name for themselves in the market. Jewelry items are often pricey, so a customer should think carefully before making a purchase. He wants a good product that comes in the best box. Jewelry is packed in special custom-made boxes made of high-quality materials that look nice. You may have seen fancy ring covers made of glass with diamond cuts or custom shapes like hearts that are used for proposal rings. Companies that make jewelry don't miss any chance to wow their customers. To do this, they hire people who are experts in this field and have a lot of experience designing custom jewelry packaging. There are many packaging companies on the market that can make jewelry boxes in any shape, size, or print you want. As people who make packaging, they give you a range of options from expensive to cheap packaging. If you want your jewelry brand to be successful, you need to choose packaging that fits your brand, your products, and your customers. 1. Builds the market's trust in your brand. Good packaging helps to build the market's trust in the brand. Several things are used to judge credibility, such as customers' happiness, a number of sales, number of customers who are loyal, and the company's total income. A company can't build its reputation in the market unless it meets the needs and wants of its customers. A happy customer is also a very important part of the marketing process. A study was done to find out how happy the customers were, and about 40% of them said they would buy the same product again because of how well it was packaged. About 30% of people shared the picture of the packaging on social media, which is a good number. These 30% of people are spreading the word about your product, while the 40% of people you'd buy from again are your loyal customers. All of these things work together to help the brand's reputation and the market. Packaging for jewelry is a little different from packaging for other products. These brands reach the top of their success by gaining customers' trust through good packaging. Well, do you like what you're seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the #1 spot. How you can make full use of it. Make sure it's good. If you want your business to be successful, you should work on the product and how it will be packaged. Choose a good material for packaging that will protect your product and make it look better. Choose a jewelry box made of a sturdy material. It helps the box keep its shape, which keeps the product from getting damaged or scratched. There are many different kinds of packaging materials on the market. Some jewelry brands package their items in glass or metal, but there are some other things that can be used to package jewelry. A unique shape. The shape of the jewelry box is an important part of making the jewelry look more beautiful. Customers are drawn to unique shapes, which helps to boost sales. Several jewelry brands on the market have become known for the unique shapes of the boxes that hold their jewelry. Well-known brands have set up their own research and development centers for packaging designs for jewelry. Even though new brands don't have enough money to set up their own design centers, they can hire someone else to do it for them. There are also a lot of freelance designers in the market who are willing to work for good clients. As the owner of a jewelry brand, you need to hire someone who can help you design. Lightweight. The jewelry's packaging should meet modern standards for packaging. No one likes the heavy boxes that jewelry comes in these days. Customers demand sleek and elegant jewelry packaging. Customers get annoyed by the look of products that come in bulky packaging, which hurts sales. Choose a lightweight material for the packaging and use modern design tools to make your jewelry product as small as possible. In this case, cardboard packaging is the best choice. It is light and easy to shape, which makes it easy to make the shapes you want. Customized printing. Packaging needs printing, but jewelry packaging is different from other packaging. For some products, federal institutions have specific rules about how to package them. There are no such restrictions on how the jewelry packaging can be made. People don't like frills in jewelry packaging, so most of the time the packaging is kept simple. Some brands just print their identity on the packaging for promotion purposes. but this identity only includes the brand name or logo. People like packaging that looks sleek and classy. Some brands stamp their logo on the cardboard packaging, while others have custom printing done for the packaging. As the owner of a jewelry brand, it's up to you to choose the printing method. So, choose a beautiful design for your printing that will help your brand make more money. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching!